Today we are going to give you some tips and tricks for printing on Avery 4x6-inch mini sheets in Avery Design and Print Online and Microsoft Word. Not all printers support non-standard sizes, so if you're not sure of your printer's compatibility, please reach out to your printer's manufacturer for more information. 4x6 sheets are a popular size for our color-coding dots, file folder labels, and multi-use labels. Printing on 4x6 sheets allows you to print just a few labels for a smaller project. Before you are ready to print, cut a piece of plain paper to the same size as the Avery product you are using. This will be your test sheet to check alignment. In Design and Print Online, when you are finished creating your project on the Customize screen and are ready to print, click on the Preview and Print tab at the top or the Preview and Print button at the bottom right. This will show you the full sheet. You can also see some print options on the right. Next, click on Get PDF to print. We will be prompted to save our design to our online account to open and edit from any device. Printing instructions may vary due to the web browser you are using. Be sure to follow them carefully for the best print results. We are using Google Chrome as our browser, so we will select Open PDF, and the PDF will open into a separate browser window. Click the print icon at the top right and choose your printer. Then click on More Settings. Here we will change the paper size to 4x6. And make sure that the scale is set to Custom and 100. Next, click on Print Using System dialog. Then go to Preferences or Properties to choose either Labels, Cardstock, or Photo for the best printing quality. Instructions for this may vary by the printer make and model. Gently slide the paper guide to snugly hold the 4x6 paper. Sometimes just changing the guides on your printer is all you need to do, but some printers will require you to specify the paper size in the printer properties or advanced settings and on the printer itself. Follow the specific instructions for your printer and use your test sheet to be sure you've got it right. If the test sheet aligns with the labels, you can feed the label sheet and select Print Again. To print from our Word templates, select File and Print, and choose your printer. Then under Printer Properties, look for Media or Paper Type, and select the option for labels if available. If not, you can choose Heavyweight or Cardstock to help your printer pull these thicker sheets. You will also want to change the paper size to 4x6. Next, look for paper source and choose the manual feed tray if your printer has one. Then click OK. Now go to your printer and adjust the paper guides to snugly hold your test sheet in place. Now click Print. If your test sheet lines up with your Avery product, you can now feed your label sheet in the printer and print again. We hope this helped you learn more about printing on 4x6 Avery products. You can contact our care team or visit avery.ca/help if you need additional help or more information. Thank you for using genuine Avery products.